Hello my dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are healthy and strong from this deadly virus. As you know that this virus has locked down the institutions and institutions across the country, even across the world. But these institutions, as the Barrier Foundation College National Affairs, hasn't deprived you from the learning. It is initiative to provide you sufficient knowledge and information, and through its teachers. As its teachers have initiative and taken efforts and struggle to provide a knowledge and information to you as soon as possible through this source. My dear students, as you know that I am your English teacher. In previous class I taught you English subject. In previous class, as you know that we study the subject English and its material. Now in this class you are qualified for first year class, and the class is for higher studies. In this class you have to learn, you have to study the literature and its books. Now I would like to introduce the literature. What is literature? Why do we study literature? So first here I have written down the important points to deliver to you as simple as possible. So today is the lecture of the introduction to literature. We will study the literature. Now the introduction to the literature. We must understand the literature. The literature is a material that is produced in the literary form. In other words, literature is a fine art like music, like dance, sculpture that give us enthusiasm of happiness. Now the question arises here that why do we study literature and what is it itself literature is. So as I have just told you the definition of literature, now why do we study literature? We study literature to acquire knowledge and information from these literary forms. Second, we study literature for entertainment. This was a brief description, introduction about the literature. What's literature? Why do we study literature? Here in this class, we will study 3 books. I would introduce here what are 3 books. Number 1, the prose book. Prose book that is consists of theoretical work. It consists of paragraphs, summaries, essays. Okay, and that is different from the poetry. So now here the poetry, the prose book, in other words you can call it the text 1. In first year class you will study text 1. Now the poetry book is poetry for first year class, and second year consists of same book. You will also study the same book in second year class as well. Now we must understand here the poetry. What do we study poetry? Poetry is art of the expression of the poet that is produced in the beautiful words, that is use of the thoughts and imagination of the poet. Okay, in other words, poetry is imagination of thoughts and feelings of a poet. So third book, it was the second book poetry. The third book drama, that is consists of the 1 act plays. There is a drama. So now here we have to understand what is drama, what are the components of the drama here. My dear students, as everyone knows drama, because everyone is familiar to drama, everyone watch drama on TVs, different types of drama. It may be a comedy or a tragedy. That are the parts of the drama. We understand here the definition of drama. What is drama? Drama is a play or act to perform or to play on a stage or in a theatre. Why the dramas are produced? Drama are produced. What is happening in person's life? What is happening in the society? What is happening in the country? What is happening in the world, across world? That is produced literature in the form of drama. Okay, I told you the definition of drama. Here I would also would like to share you the definition of comedy and tragedy. So now here the comedy is in a performance of an ordinary person that entertain masses or people. They make love to people. In another word, what is tragedy? Tragedy is in a particular person that is consists of sadness, events, unhappy events in person's life that is produced in the form of tragedy. So this was a brief introduction. You must aware about it. This was an introduction to you. So now I would like to suggest to you before it that you must be conscious, you must be attentive, you must be alert to learn these things. As I already told you or introduced to you, the Barrier Foundation College has taken initiative to you in viewing this pandemic, this deadly virus, and providing you sufficient knowledge information as soon as possible, and the institution haven't deprived you from the acquiring the education. Okay, so the next topic, the tomorrow's topic, I would like to tell you in advance that will be delivered tomorrow. That will be the Pakistan Zindabad. I would suggest to you that you go through the lesson. Is the topic will be delivered, you must be aware in advance about it. And thank you. Have a good day.